Now, this is question number 10 of exercise 1.2. Here, a function is given from a to b such that a is a real number except 3 and b also contains all real number except 1. So, a is domain, b is codomain. In domain, except 3 all real numbers, and in codomain except 1 all real numbers are there, such that the definition of the function is fx equals to x minus 2 upon x minus 3. So let us check. Now in this question we have to check that whether this function is 1 1 or onto, and we have to verify also this. Now first we are checking for 1 1. So let us see, if x and y are two real numbers such that x belongs to a and y also belongs to a. Now such that fx equals to fy. So if fx equals to fy we have taken, then as per the definition of the function, x minus 2 upon x minus 3 will be equals to fx. So and fy will be y minus 2 upon y minus 3. Now simplify this and try to find out the relation between x and y. So from here what we will get, x minus 2, first we will cross multiply them, x minus 2 y minus 3 equals to y minus 2 into x minus 3. Then we will multiply them and try to simplify them. So xy minus 2y minus 3x plus 6, xy minus 2x minus 3y plus 6. Now after simplification, at first step what we got, the xy and x will cancel out at both sides. So 3y minus 2y, 3y has come this side, so it became positive, and 3x has gone that side, so it became positive. So 3y minus 2y, what we will get, y, and 3x minus 2x, what we will get, x. So if we are taking any real number fx and fy from codomain, so what we are getting, we are getting the same real numbers in domain also. It shows that this function is 1 1, means the solution is unique, because if we are taking the same solution we are getting the same pre-image y equals to x. So this function is 1 1. Now check it for onto function. Now we have taken y such that y belongs to the b. So what is the restriction from b? That b, the codomain, contains all real number except 1. It means y cannot be equals to 1. So except 1, y can be any real number as per the definition of the function. Now to prove this function is onto, we have to prove that fx equals to y. Now fx is equals to x minus 2 upon x minus 3. So put the value x minus 2 and x minus 3 in place of fx. So x minus 2 and x minus 3 is the value of fx, and this is y equals to y. Now see, x minus 2 upon x minus 3 equals to y. Now x minus 2, try to simplify it and get the value of x from here. What should be the possible value of x from this relation? So x minus 2 equals to yx, when we will cross multiply it, minus 3y, bring x, all x at the left hand side. So yx minus x will be one side and 3y minus 2 will be another side. Now see the rest part. Take x common from there. So xy minus 1 equals to 3y minus 2. So from here we will get the value of x equals to 3y minus 2 upon y minus 1. So x should belongs to a, means 3y minus 2 upon y minus 1 should belongs to a, means this should not be equals to 3 and it can be any real number. As we have taken y a real number, so obviously 3y minus 2 upon y minus 1 will be a real number. It means x belongs to a. So from here we can get that for every image in codomain there exists a pre-image in domain. Hence this function is a onto function. Hence f is onto function. But in this question we have to verify this also, that this function is onto, so we have to show that this function is onto. Now from here what we got, the value of x we got as 3y minus 2 upon y minus n1. So we have to prove this, that this belongs to a, the domain set. This we have to prove. So as we know, the definition of fx is that is equals to x minus 2 upon x minus 3. So there we will put this value of x, and if we are able to find out the codomain from there, then this is proved. So fx we have taken, in place of x we will put 2 minus 3y upon 1 minus y. So as per the definition of the function, it will be 2 minus 3y upon 1 minus y minus 2, because it is, the definition is fx equals to x minus 2 upon x minus 3, and x we have taken as 2 minus 3y upon 1 minus y. So in place of x what we will write, 2 minus 3y upon 1 minus y, 2 minus 3y upon 1 minus y. Now simplify it. We have taken LCM at both numerator and denominator places. Now both numerators and denominators are same, 1 minus y and 1 minus y, so these will cancel out. Now the numerator is 2 minus 3y minus 2 1 minus y, 2 minus 3y minus 3 1 minus y. Simplify it. 2 minus 3y minus 2 plus 2y, 2 minus 3y minus 3 plus 3. Here 2 and minus 2 will cancel. Here minus 3y and plus 3y will cancel. So minus 3y plus 2y, what will remain? Minus y. 2 minus 3 will remain minus 1. So minus minus will cancel. Okay. So minus and minus will cancel over here. So what will remain here? Minus y upon minus 1. That is equals to y. And y we have taken that, what we have taken y, that y belongs to B, that codomain. So it means this is a verification that when we have taken x equals to 3y minus 2 upon y minus 1, then what we are getting? We are getting the codomain, that is y. So fx equals to y is proved, verified. Hence we can conclude that for every y belongs to B, the codomain, there exists a 2 minus 3y upon 1 minus y which belongs to A, that is domain. So for every image in codomain there is one pre-image in domain, hence f is a onto function. Hence this function is onto and 1 both. So one thing more we can say for this function, then this function is bijective also, whether it is not asked in this question, but if it is asked, then we can determine that this function is 1 and onto both, so it will be a bijective function.